So I've been using CapCut for free for years, and this morning I jumped into the desktop version on my laptop like I normally do every single morning, and I had some unfinished edits from last night and everything looked different. So all of the features that I normally use were actually now part of the paid version, which for me came as a surprise because as of today, March 5th, 2025, in South Africa, CapCut is no longer completely free. Now, there have been some talks within the last few months about a lot of their features becoming paid features, and slowly but surely, as they updated the app, instead of adding features, they actually took away free features and they added it to the paid version. So what are we left to do? Either you're going to pay for CapCut, which at this point I don't really think that their pricing justifies the few features that I actually use. However, at the other end of the story, I still need those features. But I did come up with a few solutions, so I've been digging and I'm going to show you what I found. So let's jump straight onto my desktop. Let me just adjust this mic. Okay, so let's just pop that over there. I'm going to jump straight onto my desktop now. So the first thing I want to show you is jumping straight into CapCut. If you have a look at some of the features over here, right at the top, there's the Join Pro. And then if you go into remove background, the auto removal, which is basically what I would use to take my video from this to this essentially, because my background obviously sucks, as you can see. So this is what I would actually use, but I can't anymore. One of the other things that I used to do is I'd record my audio separately. So I'd use OBS to record my audio because I've got the microphone, and then I'd actually use my camera to record the visuals, obviously. And then I'd remove the audio from each one of those files and I would combine them to make a new file with audio and video in one. Guess what? Can't do that anymore either. You can't extract sound. So if you right click on a video clip like this, you'll see everything where it says Pro next to it. It doesn't exist anymore if you're not signed up to the Pro version. So removing filler words, split scenes, vocal isolation, there are some others over here. So basically these are all of the features that I kind of need on an everyday basis, but there is a solution. So what I actually did was I did some digging and I went onto CapCut's web browser version and I checked. It's pretty much the same here too. So if you want to grab a video clip and you want to actually do any edits to it, like for example the smart tools, you can see also that there are Pro logos next to some of these features, like the remove background and the camera tracking, which are pretty much essential features. Now you could jump over to Canva, which was my second option because I use Canva a lot and you can do some basic video editing. So I've got a video here and you can actually just click on it and you will see some features, and you can click on the BG remover. It will remove the background. Okay, problem, the files that I upload are generally about 1.5 to 2 gig big. You cannot upload anything more than 1024 meg to CapCut. Canva, not CapCut. What I meant was Canva. You can't upload a file more than 1024 meg to Canva. My apologies. Back to the video. All right, so that is obviously not going to work for me if I wanted to remove the background. Also, the background removal is actually on Canva a paid feature. And right now I am using a free trial. That is why it is available to me. But I do not pay for Canva. I don't need any of their paid features. The next thing I jumped into was finding an alternative video editor which could do all of those things for me. Specifically DaVinci Resolve, because there is a free version and it's packed with features. It's packed with really, really good stuff. And it's a professional setup. So I jumped into DaVinci Resolve and guess what? There are pretty much 99% of the features that you would find in CapCut and more, but there is one sorry about that. No, Yeah, no, we're getting there. All right, we're back. So DaVinci Resolve, right, the free version. There's one feature that is not available, which is the background removal. Now, don't get me wrong, they do have a basic background removal, but you do need a green screen. And if you don't have a green screen, it becomes a little bit funky because, like in this environment, the wall behind me or the cupboard door and my skin tone is too close together to remove that by using a color picker and not remove parts of my face. So for me, DaVinci Resolve is not actually going to work, but here's the solution. So what I did was, with my research, digging around, I jumped into a website that I have used some years ago when I had an outdated mobile device and I was getting started on Upwork, and the Upwork app didn't want to work on my device. My device was outdated. Long story short, I found this website called Up to Down. So you can actually change the operating system that you're on from Windows to iOS to Android. So upon losing CapCut's free features, my audio has also failed me. Sincerest apologies. Of course, we're going to leave it on Windows. You can actually tap on the search bar just over here on the top right hand side, and here you are going to just type in CapCut. And you can do this for pretty much any software that they have available. You'll see here that it'll show you CapCut, and currently the current version that you would be using is what's right over here at the top. So in my case, it's 5.6.0, and if you go down over here, you can download it, but we don't want that. Just next to that, there's an older versions button. That's what we want. So we're going to go in here, and here's the thing, right? So there's so many older versions. You can see, you can even click on see more. What you need to do is go through each one of them one by one and see if you can get the latest version that allows you all of the features that you need for free, but still give you those features, or that are still available. So go ahead straight from the top and start trying different versions. Now, I've gone all the way down to 4.0.0.1539. That's the current version that I'm using in my country, in my region, South Africa. That is the version right now, the 5th of March 2025, is working on my device. So I can actually go in and I can use all of the features that I need for free. I don't have to pay for anything. I don't have to upgrade at all. So I'm going to leave a link to the uptodown.com in the description below. You can go ahead and just tap on that. It'll redirect you right over here to this CapCut page. So in one click, you can get here. Go and try it out and see if you can get a version of CapCut that'll work for you for free. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think of this whole CapCut downgrading from free to paid? Let us know, and we'll see you in another video. Peace.